Welcome back to Just Scale Models. Today we're taking a look at something from Tamiya. This is Military Miniatures 1/35th scale modern US accessory set. So if we can take a look here, you can see here, ready to assemble precision model kits, cement and paint not included, and some more information up here. And then they give you illustrations and quick descriptions in multiple languages of the items included, as well as how they might look if they were painted. And you can see here it does include some tracked vehicle parts as well as some ammunition examples. So you can see here this is set up for the M60A3 platform as well as the M1 platform. Continue on the side here, we can see here more illustrations of some of the included items, the color schemes as well, more information in multiple languages, made in Japan. If we look on this side, some more box information there. Continuing, you can see here, I believe this does include crew members. Again, this is intended for vehicles such as the M60A3 or the M1 and its subsidiaries. And then here is where the item number is listed. Item 35141-600. If we continue on the other large cover side, we can see here more illustrations of the pieces as well as some quick assembly instructions and part numbers as well, and how they could be laid out on the M60A3 or M1 platform. Barcode down in this corner. Let's go ahead and get this open and see what's in here. Trees and paperwork there. Let's see what this is. Okay, so here we can see combat ration cartons. So that would match up against these there. So you would cut them out and fold and glue as needed. Nothing on this side. And then some more information in multiple languages there. And then the trees themselves, as well as small set of decals you can use on, say, like the tanks or some of the ammo and the crates as well. So yeah, it does include crew members, and the set does appear to be two of the same type of tree. So you have enough here to actually equip two vehicles possibly, or super equip one vehicle. Give you an idea of the molding there. Some launchers there. Some smaller pieces, crew member pieces, as well as some of the larger pieces. But taking a very quick look at something from Tamiya, the Military Miniatures 1/35th scale modern US accessory set. And I do believe the original kit was from 1988. This may be a reissue. This is another unboxing video. Feel free to check out their unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos as well as a selection of book review media reviews. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.